This is the purple list. Number 1, elect. We will not elect a new president for 2 more years. Number 2 is possess. I possess a coin collection and a stamp collection. Number 3 is prediction. My prediction is that you will do well on this test. Number 4 is extinct. Dinosaurs have been extinct for many years. Number 5, subtraction. We finished our unit on subtraction. Now we will move to multiplication. Number 6 is expression. Giving a hug is an expression of love. Number 7 is profession. You probably don't know what profession you'd like to have as an adult. Number 8 is confess. I confess that I'm a little bit tired today. Number 9 is connection. I made a connection with the new teacher because we had a lot in common. Number 10, obsession. My dog has an obsession with squirrels. She barks at them all day long.